Morning. Right, so today we're going to do a very deep clean on the Range Rover L322. Give you a bit of a background story. We've had the car about a year, 2 owners, pretty well looked after, but it has got, scratches, dents, and we haven't really looked after it the best. We're doing a house renovation that you might see in the background, and the car just gets used for going to the tip, picking up plasterboard, building materials and things. So it's just being used as a workhorse. But I'll give you a quick little tour around the car and we'll jump in. So as you can see, the paintwork looks a bit minging, hasn't been washed for a while. The brake dust is pretty bad. It's got new tyres though, so they look all right. There's just lots of grime in places, cobwebs. We do live in the country, so it gets dirty and dusty quite quickly. Side steps, they're really annoying. That fell off a while ago, but it's 200-300 quid to replace them, and if I do replace them, the bolts underneath holding them on are probably rusted, and it's going to be a right pain of a job, so just keep putting it off at the moment. So this is a before. I'm going to jump in, give it a quick clean and see what results we get. So this is what we got when we bought our new Range Rover that we had a couple of years ago. All AutoGlym, all just comes from Range Rover. So I'll be using some of that. Don't use that, but I picked this up because I thought it was funny. Don't know if anyone follows Yiannimize, but I'm not expecting that to be very good. Just got this because it's the cheapest one that has the colour active on it, and Finesse. I've heard good things about them, but never ever used their products, so going to give that a go on the engine. So I'm going to give the Yiannimize Ultra Snow Foam High Density Foam Blanket a go. Who knows? Quick question, so if anyone knows, can you put it down in the comments? That'd be really useful. I have no idea what this yellow kind of contaminant is, but it seems to be all over the car. Really happy with how this has come out. So that's the vehicle all washed on the outside. It always takes longer than I think it will, so I'm going to leave the inside for another day. And hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Cheers, thanks.